topic at hand is linking, and linking is a very powerful feature in Excel in that you can link to other cells. Now, you can do that either within a worksheet, between worksheets, or even between workbooks if you so choose. A link is very similar to a formula, and that is you start it with an equal sign, and then it's a matter of determining which cell it is you'd like to be linked to. Click on that cell, and that cell B6 is there, and press enter, and whatever is in B6 will appear here. Now, if I change this to 2600, boom, 2800. Whoops, somebody didn't do a auto sum here. Okay, so we're going to do auto sum. There we go. And so you can see now that now whatever is here is going to be shown there. Now I've got two budgets here, and the budgets have numbers. And on the front sheet here, I have a summary. So my first budget here is 2175, and I want to see how much I have in these different categories for that budget. Now, my budget is actually over here on this worksheet, but I want to bring all that information so I have one sheet where I can look at that information. So you hit equal. Now sub salaries, I'm going to go back over here, remaining balance, sub salaries, bammo, that one right there. And now whatever that number is brought over to here. I hit equal, go over to here. This is instructional supplies budget. That number is brought over here. I'm going to fix this here. And we'll do the final thing here with capital outlay and go to this budget and click on that. And that is our remaining balance on capital outlay. Now for 4196, I hit the equal sign, go to 4916, click on the balance here, boom. And that is brought over to this page. So take a look at what it says up here. It says, and it has in those little quote marks, 4175, that's this worksheet name, then a vertical semicolon, and then D3, and if we go back over here, D3 is that one right there. That's exactly what we wanted. So you can link, and you can even link between workbooks if you so choose.